Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinwe here. This channel is for all-round beauty, makeup, hair, lifestyle and lots more. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get my videos whenever I upload. Today's video is on how I do my nails at home tutorial, DIY fake nails. I'll be using the buffer which you have seen earlier, and that's my cuticle nippers, and this is the nail file. Balls of cotton wool, Cortex, and that's the beautiful nails that I'll be using, and it's by K Nails, and this is not a sponsored promotion. I'm just doing my thing, and that's the nail glue. So I started by trimming my cuticles using the cuticle nippers. I will be leaving all I used in this video in the description box so you can check it out if you need to. We'll do this on both hands. Now I am not a nail tech. It's just that when I go out to get my nails done, I try to, watch and learn. So I felt, okay, let me do this on my own and then see how it turns out. If you have done your nails before by yourself, please let me know in the comment section. So we go in with the nail file because I have to make the surface of my nails rough, so it will help to hold the fake nails firmly when I begin to fix them in. I'll also use the nail file to get my nails into shape. So it's time to fix in the nails, and these nails actually came with numbers, so I'm going to sort it out and get the one that fits each fingernail properly. So we'll just apply glue on my nails and apply on the fake nails as well, and just fix it in as you can see, and then press it down. So just make sure that it is firm. So that's what I'm just going to be doing basically. I'll just apply the glue to my fingernails, apply to the fake nails, and then fix it in. So that's just it. Will just use my wipes to clean the side of my nails because of the glue that is running down, so it doesn't become messy. Here you really have to be careful on how much glue you apply on your nails and the fake nails, because if it's too much, it's really going to be messy and sticky and all of that. Yes, so you have to be very careful. So far it's really coming out well. Wow, it's beautiful. I love it. Leave me your comments if I start commenting already, and tell me what you think. So I'll just do same on the other hand. I'm really trying to always get my nails done. It's just that at times for me it's inconveniencing because I make wigs a lot, and most times it feels like I'm struggling, and when I make my nails it makes me slow when I have to make a wig, but I've tried. Wow, it's beautiful. I love it, and I hope you do as well. So we'll just go in with the nail file and file lightly because there's not so much filing to do. It's just that I want the tips to be, very obvious. Wow, this is beautiful. It's a pencil nails. So we'll just go over the base of the nails with nail glue just to hold the fake nails firmly. Yes. So we'll finish up by applying this transparent nail polish to give it a sleek and a glossy look. So please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get any video I upload. Okay, and leave me your comments as well about what you think about the outcome of the nails. Wow, really beautiful. I love it. Very beautiful. So I just went ahead to oil my hands. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.